I just got this Ultenic U16 Flex vacuum, a cordless vacuum, and let's just see what's included in the box. Yeah, so we open it up, pretty big box, nicely packed, nice foam everywhere, keeps it nice and secure. We have, of course, the booklet and a little clean brush, I believe, and a bunch of email addresses to contact for support. And we have all the extensions. So we have the long pipe, the filters, a regular nozzle attachment. We have the brush attachment, and we have the flex joint attachment. So it's all included. I like how you can mix and match whatever you need for your use case. And of course, the filter, the extra filter is nice. I do like that this is all nicely wrapped each individual piece of this accessory kit, and we have the charger, and of course the wall mount. And it comes with a couple screws and anchors, and you also have a battery pack, which will attach to the vacuum cleaner slash the wall mount. And it's a nice brick size, pretty hefty, but overall it's nicely packed. I like everything that's included, and this is really good. This is the main vacuum cleaner, so you can use it as a hand vacuum, like a mini one, if you don't want to put the attachments on, or you can put all the attachments, the flex pipe or the main pipe. So you have a lot of versatility, and I like that. It's just you can mix and match whatever you want. And overall, the unboxing is very nice, very clean.